Look around, little ones. This is our jungle full of green trees and colorful flowers. But even with all this beauty, something feels missing, doesn't it? The monkeys swing, the birds sing, but a quiet feeling hangs in the air. Our wise, the elephant feels it too. He knows something special is needed to fill our hearts. Says our jungle is beautiful, but it would be even more joyful with the sound of children's laughter. He believes that children bring a special kind of happiness that only they can provide. Chotu the rabbit reaches his nose. Oh, how I miss seeing the children from the village, he exclaims. They used to visit and play near the big mango tree. Bandar, always full of ideas, jumps down from a branch. Why don't we invite them, he suggests. Let's ask them to come and play with us in the jungle again. Tota the parrot, with his bright green feathers, chirps excitedly. I can deliver the invitation, he volunteers. I'm the fastest flyer in the jungle. Tota flies to the village, carrying a very important message. He perches on the branch of the oldest banyan tree and calls out to the children playing below. Bacho. Jungle hai ek car hai. Tota announces in his loudest voice. He hopes the children understand the importance of his words. That means, children, the jungle calls you, nature remembers you. It's a simple message, but it carries the love of all the animals in the jungle. The children stop their games and look up at Tota in amazement. They listen carefully to his message, their eyes wide with excitement. Hum zarur. Jungle hamara bhi hai, the children shout back with joy. They can't wait to visit their friends in the jungle. This means we will surely come. The jungle is ours too. The children understand that they are a part of nature just like the animals. Their eagerness shows how much they love the jungle and all its creatures. They are ready for an adventure. Soon the children arrive at the edge of the jungle, their faces beaming. They are ready to explore and play with their animal friends. The fox, known for her cleverness and kindness, steps forward to greet them. She welcomes them with a warm smile. Bacho. Esi karo, says gently. She wants them to feel welcome and loved. This means welcome, children. Come, make friends with nature. Hopes they will learn to appreciate and protect the jungle. She wants them to feel like they belong here, surrounded by the beauty of nature. The jungle is a home for everyone. When little girl looks around in amazement. To aise bhi kaach naya naya hai, she whispers. That means that everything seems so new here. Even though she has visited before, the jungle always has new surprises. The jungle has a way of making everything feel fresh and exciting. It's a place where you can discover something new every day. Nature has the power to change the way we see the world. It can fill us with wonder and inspire us to learn. The children run off to explore, filled with the joy of discovering the natural world. They can't wait to see what adventures await them. Today we celebrate friendship both between animals and between children and nature. Everyone is welcome in our jungle. We believe that nature belongs to everyone, no matter how big or small. It's a place where we can all come together and share our joy. The connection between humans and nature is very important. We need to take care of the jungle and the jungle will take care of us. Sharing the beauty of nature brings happiness to everyone. When we protect the jungle, we protect ourselves. Being in nature makes us feel complete. It reminds us that we are all connected and that we are all part of something bigger than ourselves.